ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಸಹನಾ ನಾಗೇಶ್ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಚೈನ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಗಳನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸಿಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು 80+ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಮಾಡ್ಯೂಲ್ 1ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್, ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಚೈನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲೈಸ್ಡ್, ಡಿಸೆಂಟ್ರಲೈಸ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟೆಡ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ವಿತ್ ಎ ಸೂಟೇಬಲ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲೈಸ್ಡ್ ಮತ್ತು ಡಿಸೆಂಟ್ರಲೈಸ್ಡ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟೆಡ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್, ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಇನ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಚೈನ್. ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಥಿಯರಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಿ, ಅವೈಲೇಬಿಲಿಟಿ, ಪಾರ್ಟಿಷನ್ ಟಾಲರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಥರ್ಡ್, consensus mechanism and its types. Fourth one, list and explain generic elements of blockchain. It is very important. And Byzantine general problem with example. Next, explain benefits and limitations of blockchain. Module 2, explain the methods of decentralization. Methods of decentralization question is very important. Second one, explain full ecosystem decentralization of blockchain with a neat diagram. It is also very important. Then third question, write an algorithm for working of SHA-256. ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಸಮಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಸಮಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ. Fourth question, explain asymmetric cryptography with suitable diagrams. Then fifth question, explain elliptic curve digital signature algorithm with a practical example. Next, sixth question, compare DOS, DACS, DAS and DA apps with example. Next, give the different platform for decentralization. Last question, discuss the properties of secure hash function. 3. First question, explain transaction life cycle in a Bitcoin system. Second one, explain the structure of block. First and second question is very important. Third question, define Bitcoin. Explain the generation of public key and private key in detail. Fourth question, discuss the different types of transaction in Bitcoin. The question is, describe the process of deploying a smart contract on a public blockchain. Sixth question, define DAO. Explain its architecture and significance in decentralized systems. Seventh question, define wallet. Explain in detail about the different types of wallet. In Module 4, first question, explain the Ethereum stack with a suitable diagram. Second question, what is state transaction in Ethereum? Explain with a diagram. Third question, describe the types of transaction in Ethereum. Mention their fields. Fourth question, briefly discuss about the operation of Ethereum virtual machine with the help of a neat diagram. Fifth question, explain the process of mining in Ethereum and its consensus model. The question, define Ethereum accounts. Differentiate between EOA and contract accounts. Seventh question, differentiate between contract creation on a message called transaction with a diagram. Module 5, first question, what is Hyperledger? Explain its architecture with a neat diagram. Second question, define Sawtooth Lake. Explain the novel concepts of Sawtooth Lake. Third question, what is Corda? List and explain the components of the Corda. Fourth question, discuss the organization and categories of Hyperledger fabric architecture. Fifth question, design a Hyperledger based supply chain solution. Describe its workflow with a diagram. Sixth question, compare Sawtooth Lake and fabric based on structure and application. ಫಾರ್ ಶ್ಯೂರ್ ನೀವು ಇಷ್ಟು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ನ ಕಲಿತ್ರೆ 80+ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಹಾಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಲೈಕ್, ಶೇರ್, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನು ಮರಿಬೇಡಿ.